Hi guys, welcome back to AndroTech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Notes on ROM on Note 2. Without further ado, let's get started. Power off your device.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Then press volume up button, power button and home button together until you will get this Samsung logo.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Now you are in TRRP recovery mode. Here click on wipe and again click on advanced wipe. Here select Delvic, Cache, System, Data and Internal. Then swipe. Go back and click on install and go to the ROM location. Here select that and swipe. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes to install.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
After the installation, click on reboot system. Wait for the boot up. It takes around 5 to 6 minutes.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
If you like this video, give thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos.